Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen GTI. 2011 Volkswagen GTI Autobahn PZEV, where performance meets precision. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed manual transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Experience the thrill of the open road with the 2011 Volkswagen GTI Autobahn PZEV. This sporty hatchback packs a punch with a 2.0L i4 turbo engine delivering 200 horsepower and 207 lb-ft of torque. Dressed in United Gray Metallic with a Titan Black leather interior, it features heated seats, a power sunroof, and dual-zone climate control for a refined ride. With under 89K miles and averaging less than 6K per year, it's in excellent condition and backed by a clean Carfax with just one owner. Enjoy great fuel economy, 21 mpg city, 31 highway. This GTI blends performance, luxury, and German engineering into one exciting package. Key features include satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.